So here's the secret. Whenever I'm doing it, a recording, whenever I'm doing a song intuitively, it's perfect until I press record. Just a hint to let anybody know. It's like it flows so nicely, and then when I say, oh, I want to share that, that's when everything, like, I start getting out of time. The notes are wrong. Like, why? I'm gonna try again. Oh, see, even my hair got messed up. They playing some reggae in the back. Got my island roots, you know? All right, anyway. Focus off of the reggae beat in the background. This is so real. It's like I'm wishing that I could just turn on my radio right now, because it sounds like they're jamming over there on that. Listen, I'm human, y'all. I'm human. Anyway, I always try to keep it real and not to be somebody I'm not, or at least try to not pretend to be somebody I'm not. I've been through that phase already, hiding who I am and not being, you know, just the raw me. So, yeah, look like they're stationed over there. I'm behind, I'm in front of, actually, it's like a inlet to get the boats in and out. So apparently someone's coming and kind of stationing where they are with their boat. And I can't blame them. It's a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Oh, now they're getting louder. Try to get some more. I love that song too. Yeah. I might go out to the dock and sit down and jam with them. They might be coming in because there's a thing for them to pull in their boat right there. Maybe they might went fishing. All right. Yeah, it sounds like they're stationed right here, unless they're coming in. There's also some houses that they set up. They pull their boats into dock. So it could be any one of those things. But right now I'm at a beautiful public space. It's a park. They haven't cut the grass, so I'm here in between. You might see me slapping in. Yeah, nature. Nature. It's beautiful though. I love it. I love hearing when people have fun. That makes me feel joy. Yeah. I can't record, but I mean, I'm recording, but I can't record what I was planning to do, which it just don't even fit right now, because they're just like on a whole different energy right now, which is good. It's nice. You hear them? Don't get a lot of that over here, so it's nice to hear my reggae music. Nice. Yeah, now they're over here. Okay. They're passing through. All right. But I'm going to pause this video and maybe I'll start again. Who knows? I might even post this. Yeah. Love y'all.